Welcome to today's daily message. As I mentioned yesterday, each day this week I'll be reading some selections from the words of Pope Francis having to do with the family. And so the selection that I offered today was part of an address to the Missionaries of Charity in May of 2013, and it's titled, "The Meaning of Home." When we say home, we mean a place of hospitality, a dwelling, or a pleasant human environment, a place where one is at ease and a place of self-discovery, a place of connection to a community or a territory. More profoundly, home is a word with a typically familiar flavor that calls to mind the warmth, affection, and love that can be felt in a family. Hence, the home represents the most precious of human treasures, a place of encounter and of relationships among people who, though they may differ in age, culture, and history, live together and help one another grow together. For this reason, the home is a crucial place. It is where people grow and can be fulfilled, because it is where every person learns to receive and give love. Thank you for watching today.